All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the filter menu and the filter tool, really. So let me go to create new, and we're going to do Photoshop default. So if you go down here, let me unlock this layer first. Okay, right here, this is the filter menu right here, okay? But we're going to use this right here, same exact thing. You convert. So there's a few different options you can do. You can convert for smart filters, filter gallery, adaptive wide angle, camera raw filter, lens correction, liquify, and vanishing point. I'm not going to do any of those. What we're going to talk about is 3D, blur, blur gallery, distort, noise, pixelate, render, sharpen, stylize video, and other. Okay, so that's what I'm going to cover in this. So really what you need for this is a better looking image than this, but this will work for what we're doing. So I'm going to select the bucket tool and paint this ugly red that I picked. I'm going to go to the filter and we're going to go to 3D first, and we're going to generate a bump map. Okay. Okay. I'll rotate this a little bit. Let's do a little blur like that. I'll hit OK. And you can see it doesn't really do anything, which is okay, because this is not a 3D object. So I'm going to hit cancel, and we're going to undo this. Okay. Now let's go to the filter and let's look at the blur. So we're going to do average. You can do blur more, which it really doesn't blur anything. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's minimize this for a second. I want you to hit on your keyboard print screen. Okay. Copy whatever image you have on your desktop. We're going to go back into Photoshop. We're going to hit Control N, and what it's going to do is it's going to grab your clipboard. Okay, I'm going to hit Control V, and I'm going to crop because I have dual monitors. So I'm going to crop just for LearnTech Plus, and we're going to use this. We're going to use your screen as the project. Okay, so we can kind of add filters and effects and that kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do distort. Let's do displace. Okay, let's try another one. Let's add noise. Okay, there you go. Cool. All right, so we'll keep that. And then let's do another one. We'll pixelate. So let's do facet. And let's do sharpen. Stylize, so emboss. Now we're getting wild. Oh, that's cool. Because I really like the glitch effect, so it's funny that it's doing that. Let's do clouds. So let's render clouds. See, you can get way out of hand real quick. So I'm going to hit Control Z because it doesn't really fit what we're doing here. I like that. We're going to do other. These aren't really used much. Stylize I use quite a bit. You can do oil paint. So let's hit OK. So I can change it to oil paint. And then we can do blur gallery. So let's do like a blur, and let's do like a motion blur. Okay. So you can see what we did here. We added a lot of just different effects. So if I click here, you can see the, actually no, that's not what we were using. Really, they keep changing everything on me. All right, that's no problem. I'm gonna close that. But basically we added a whole bunch of filters to this to give it more of a different feel, you know. I took it from this to this with a couple clicks. So that's the kind of thing that you can do with filter. Filter is a great tool, and I recommend you doing a print screen again of your desktop after this video is over and create something cool, you know, and then throw it up on Behance to really kind of show off your work. Because this is cool, man. It's a lot of fun just to make stuff, you know. So if you like making stuff, you're going to love Photoshop. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.